Okay. Ate, happy birthday. I think you have already a wonderful family. So, all I wish is that you'll have all the best in life and all the happiness that life could give. That's all.
Ano ba ang pangalan mo?
May.
May. Nice to meet you. Trabaho tayo next. 2,000 ako sa Bakit money? Next. Sino next? Che.
K.
Okay. Parang artistang beauty. Artistahe.
Hello, Joyce. Happy birthday. I'm very happy that you belong to the Bright English Company. And yeah, I'm wishing you that God may shower you more blessings and may the desire of your heart be granted. Happy birthday.
Parang familiar yung bride, di ba? Yung sa Ajar.
Apply na ta, apply.
Apply. Wala bang hiring, boss? Because I'm tired of working as a prostitute. My whole life, I'm just working as a prostitute. I just earn 1,500 baht a day. Maybe. Oh my goodness, I'm just kidding. I work as a DJ lunchtime. Kasi morning,
Lunchtime.
yeah, DJs during lunchtime, evening DJ again,
Blowjob. Big J.
DJ in the evening. Sino susunod oy? May mga
Tala.
yung mga friends na ngayon lang natagpuan. At ngayon lang nakakain ng embutido. Oh, for your information.
Father?
I'm father, daddy. Bumas daddy.
Ayaw na tala kay hubog na.
Ah, hubog na daw. Ayaw na ko. Ano? Daddy! Hindi mo siya hubog eh. Father! Daddy! Ganyan lang ako nahubog ng producer. Sa mga friends na tayo na mga na plastic. Let's start with Tala. Kaya siya may murag dordool nga gamay. Ito lang. She's my sister.
Sister in crime?
Yeah.
Balik Tala.
I told her to work like me.
I told her to work like
As a prostitute, but she said, I can be just an assistant pro. In University of Prostitute. Wait, Kenneth, we're just joking. We're not prostitutes. But sometimes, you can call me. I'll be there. Joke. Kenneth, prepare your tattoos. Explain it to us.
in one sentence.
Yeah. Oh, before that, Pauline, explain your tattoo. Tala, dali na. Baby!
Si baby na lang.
It's your week.
Hello?
Dala. Hala.
Opposite sex.
Dali na. You don't have
I-text na lang ako.
Dali na.
I-text na lang kayo post sa Facebook.
Si Angelica.
No.
Dali na. Kilala mo na siya, di ba?
Oo.
Matagal na pala yan.
Tagal na kasi sa birthday ni Angela ka napunta sila, di ba?
First
Kasi,
time.
yeah. Ikakasal na. When is the wedding?
When I finish preparing our documents.
Sure.
Happy birthday for Joycey. Actually, we met. That was my 25th birthday.
Yeah.
Margin as well.
Parang siya parang kita ko doon, no?
I think in-invite
Sila dalawa.
ni
Nandun-
Ronaldine.
Tapos, I just wish you, aside from happiness, always seek God's help. Kasi we're not stronger on our own. So always seek His help. And more blessings for your family. I'm actually happy for you. I'm actually quite jealous kasi you have your family here, your mom. I just had my mom after 6 years for only 2 weeks. So treasure that moment na kasama ng whole family. Happy birthday. Ayun.
Wala na pala iwan sa ano, sa Cebu ba kayo? Kita? Sa Cebu. Ano, malayo yun? Sa San Fernando. Okay. Next! Si, ano pangalan nito? Eileen.
Eileen Mishes. Delicious.
Eileen, pasok na. Eileen, pasok. Pasok ang lechon.
Good evening sa tanan. Actually, si ate o si kuya akong ang na-friends na ako before. And she's been talking about her family na nanatili. Wala pa minit-meet karon pa yun.
So wala kang masasabi.
Happy birthday. I forgot the verse in the Bible, but it says, delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart.
Ay, bibig ka lang dyan. Nag-isno ka ba yun? Aso, hindi naman ko.
Basta masasabi ko lang, mag-iiwan ako ng katagang. Ang hindi makarating sa patunang walang alam sa Bangkok. Sino next? Yung mga bisita namang ngayon pa lang dumating. Sige na, magpasalamat. Diyos ko. Pauline. She's one of the most
Endangered species.
endangered species.
Sabi sabihin.
Ay, mga doon.
Or kataya.
Kumanta ka na, pero hindi na kami.
Yeah, first and foremost, I want to thank you for the warm welcome and your family. Yeah. Hello. I got two words for you. Big thanks. Thank you. That will be all.
Really, Taylor Swift mo, sorry ako. Could be Taylor o Taylorin. Next, sino ba yung, si Marlon, Miss India. Marlon, come here. Magsasalita ka dahil. Magpasalamat ka sa ibo dito. At saka yung plastic na sa bulsa mo. Tinalang ko mamaya, kukuha ka. Di ba yan sinabi mo? Nadali mo sa Chayapong.
I would like to thank Watson's
What?
for working.
Watson?
Watson's today for the 50% discount. Always on sale.
Ganun po, okay, start now. Mas mapayat, Harvey o ikaw?
I don't know. Because
Sino mas malnourished sa inyo?
tama na. Because I can breastfeeding because so yeah, I would like to thank, of course, before, of course,
Masya ka pa ng
oh,
thank
happy birthday, girl. This is my first time to,
In Bangkok.
not really first time in Bangkok, first time to gate crash a birthday party because I have no idea where are we going. So, and I am very thankful that Pauline dragged me here.
You're crazy.
And Tita Ras, because we've known each other since childish days. Oh.
Childbirth.
So I'm just very happy because honestly, until now, I cannot really literally say that I'm happy physically, and because I'm still having my adjustments here because I'm still new here. I'm like around 8 months, so
I'm struggling.
I'm struggling the culture and everything. So I'm happy na dato po ko nila summer na ako yung mga Pinoy para po kumurag ma-feel at home ra po kay honestly I miss a lot. I miss my family a lot and my friends. They were just Juko, so they know my struggle. So happy kay ko na if there are birthdays, maapil ko kung invite. Because there are photos, a sort of therapy.
Fake food.
Yes.